Alright, so we got our ribs in here frying. They frying in the grease. We got our potatoes going on for our potato salad. We've already then crunched up our Funyuns and our flaming hot Cheetos. And we got Booby over here. He's mixing it up. The ribs in the bag and getting ready to put them on in the skillet. It's my 15-year-old getting busy. Because see, when he go to college, he gonna know how to cook him some fried ribs. Right, Boop? We put us a little onion powder, some garlic powder, and because we are a family of diabetes, actually high blood pressure, we use a little nature seasoning, which is low on salt. The sodium level in this is only 380, which is pretty good. So we'll come back to you and let you know how these ribs is looking. We're getting ready to turn these on over. Oh my goodness, they are looking good. Alright, so we'll be back and let you know how they're coming out.